you don't make so much, and you probably make so much too, and you don't have a budget specifically for invoice making. See, invoice should be one of the easiest things for us to make. I mean, there are lots and lots of options for us to make invoice. Canva is one of them. You can make your invoice on Canva, but then the major one that I like to always recommend for people that are just starting up is called Zoho Invoice. Zoho Invoice is completely free, and the good part of Zoho Invoice is that if you have customer retainership, you do not need to be setting an invoice month to month. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step on how to set up your Zoho Invoice. Follow me along as I show you. I'm your guide. You're going to go to your browser and search for Invoice and Zoho. So when you go to Invoice, you're going to tap on the first result and then say start invoicing for free. You can fill all of this with your company information, or you can just say sign in with Google. So as a first time user, it's going to ask you to fill all of this. I'll fill all of this information, right? And that's it. And that should log me in right there. So I do not want to remind this. I'll say remind me later. So when you're done, this is how the interface will look like. However, this looks a bit somehow. You can go to your search for Zoho Invoice. This is Zoho Invoice Maker app. Once you download the Zoho Invoice Maker app, here you can use it to create a new. All you need to do is to add new customer. You will fill all this information and put all of the terms, and then you'll be able to see your templates down. This is how simple it is. It's completely free. I've been using this for a while now. I use it for my clients. I use it to, like, you can see, I'll be able to check my PDF and see send invoice to my customer. The good part of this is that you can set it to be recurring, so you don't need to bother yourself, especially if you have like a client on retainership. It tells you if they have unpaid and all of that. It's a wonderful app that you should have as a business owner, so that you can be able, all you need to put your logo, information about your business, and you're good.